Look at this. We've got 2,013 members in our trading group. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're trying to make a ton of money in this market and you're looking for a channel that's going to help you be very successful, smash that subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment box. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Sideways. Hit a quick refresh. Slightly red day. Seemingly so. Overall market cap of cryptocurrency, $247 billion. Bitcoin at 88.29. The crypto fear and greed index is a 39. Everybody's super fearful. Okay, so Bitcoin's up 100% plus over a couple months, and the market is fearful. Look at Binance real quick. What's happening here? Wait, what is going on here? 42% gains, 23%, 23%, 23%, 22%, 18, 14, 12, 10, 10. Not as good as it has been, but still a good day for trading these small cap altcoins. A lot of people don't want to trade Bitcoin trading pairs. They're like, why would I trade Bitcoin trading pairs? They're all stuck on USDT because people think in USDT. Most of these coins don't have USDT pairs. Okay, so you have to, it's a double, you have to trade to Bitcoin to buy the crypto, and then, you want to sleep at night, go back to USDT if that's your strategy. But it's important. You just have to think outside the box. The money is being made right now in these small cap altcoins. Let's take a look at what Bitcoin's doing because it all hinges on Bitcoin's next move. And these altcoins can shut off in a second based on what Bitcoin does. Okay, so this is a 12-hour chart. We've been talking about this. Bitcoin price actions right down here at the lower trend line. All right, we did get that bearish cross of the 21 and the 50, which happened back here. And we got this move to the downside. Here it happened again. Are the bulls going to show up? If 8,500 breaks, expect significant downside. Potentially 6,800 would be the measured move. Again, this price action doesn't move in straight lines. So remember, Bitcoin, when it's trending lower, is going to give you a little bit and take some back. Give you a little bit, take some back. Now, will the bulls show up and put a bounce in? That is the question. I'm going to dive deeper into this now. Bitcoin 4-hour chart. You've got a potential double top. However, you got a falling wedge right here. This is a bullish reversal pattern. 68% chance of a break to the upside. And possibly you've got a little tiny double bottom here as well. So the possible double top confirmation line is at about 85.50 now. So we talked about if we get a break to the downside here, 7,000 is possible, which shows, similar target is what we talked about right here. So bulls need to hold this level. The price action's trying to square up, put a double bottom in and break out to the upside and, get one more move higher. All eyes on Bitcoin right now. Very important. Now remember, Bitcoin breaks out higher, alt BTC pairs will not fare well, right? Because it's the performance of the altcoin compared to the performance of Bitcoin. Your USDT pairs move better when Bitcoin is moving higher, but your BTC pairs move better when Bitcoin's just doing nothing, right? When it's just ranging, which Bitcoin has been. IOTX, which we talked about, there was a mainnet launch. There is a mainnet launch coming end of the first of next month. They have the Ledger app, which is now live. If you haven't picked up a Ledger Nano X or Ledger Nano S, the link to the factory is in the description. IOTX, when I gave it to you guys, it exploded. It was up like 100% in no time. And it's pulled back. Is there one more run left in IOTX? It's consolidating right now. So I want to give you a couple shout outs to my trading group. This gentleman stated after one day he joined the group, he made $4,000. He says, so I guess this is a better strategy. Next person, I regret I didn't join months ago. I made one trade based on my teachings and I got 94% gains. Next person, IBC, I'm up $29,000 in 3 weeks because of you. I can't believe how much I've learned. Listen, it's the best feeling in the world to get these comments from you guys. This is Matic. Boy, I've got some news on Matic and it's popping. I was trying to give you guys Matic. I just couldn't get this video out in time. Today has been so crazy. These altcoins have been popping off. So Matic originally was posted in the group back about a month ago. And it was, hey, aggressive buy the pullback to this lower trend line. Matic has a mainnet launch coming. We know what mainnet launch means for the price of these cryptos. So Matic now, I was trying to get this out to you guys, and I was going to say, hey, don't trade this. Don't buy this breakout. But it's already pumped considerably. So if you would have bought, see this green circle right here, this green circle was where this setup was posted. If you would have got in down here, Matic is up 75%. These midterm holds that I post are easy. Like, hey, buy here, sell later after you get a huge pump. You get 75% profits. Now Matic, this FOMO, you got to be careful with this. Like it's really overextended. But remember Matic up here. Remember that when Matic had this run up from 165 Satoshis, basically like 4x right here real quick, and then completely sold off. And there was all this drama around it. Matic was a scam. Matic sucked, did all this garbage, right? And then here we are, boom. It's almost humorous to see like the emotions people have in this. And really there's so many technicals that said, hey, sell here because people are going to take profits. This is MBL. So again, buy the rumor, sell the news. So Movie Block comes out and they're an Asian-based crypto. They pumped when all those Asian coins were pumping. And they said, hey, stay tuned. We've got this huge announcement coming for Movie Block. Huge announcement coming soon. Hype, 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 hype. Buy on the hype. Right? And so, of course, I had the setup posted actually previously by the breakout at 21 Satoshis. This is a smaller cap altcoin. And it's already, it's up over 20% right here. MBL broke out. So the formula for success in these small caps, any altcoins as we move forward, we've got 18 months of this bull run ahead of us. Right? It's going to be epic. And it's going to be like, hey, I got to find the news. I got to find the charts. I got to put it together. And then I got to trade these setups. And so it's kind of a lot to handle. That's why it's good to have a team behind you to feed you this information. Now, there's a lot of rumors surrounding ADA. They're talking about the Cardano debit card. And it's talking about being able to stake ADA on this card. So there's a lot of buzz right now around ADA. What's happening with this? And so I try to dig deep and find some different ideas, and I found some kind of sketchy stuff. This is a Cardano debit card, $15,000 asset protection. This is different, right? This is obviously not the same thing. But again, this is building hype, 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 hype. ADA, 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 right? I'm going to show you a chart on ADA in just a second. Now you've got the Cardano debit card, 15K it's called. You don't need no name. Sketchy, red flag. No ID, no address, no passport, 100% legal, untraceable debit card. Red flag, red flag, red flag. Alert, alert. Send us $15,000 in Cardano and you can spend all the Cardano you want. You'll probably see it again. So I'm not even going to go into who makes this or whatever, but there's a lot of just, man, you got to be careful. Anytime, no name, no ID, no address, no passport. We're just going to, yeah, good luck. Look at this guy. He's in Dubai. He's got his Hawk. He's got the World Elite ADA card. Again, this is not the same idea as this one, but just to kind of put this out there, you got to be careful. It's not really like, hey, let me figure out, like, is this true? Is this not true? I got to figure this out. It's more like, hey, everybody else, whether it's true or not, it'll come out in the wash. Like, they're going to buy on this hype. They're going to buy on this rumor. It's going to move the price potentially. Will it move the price? ADA is a larger cap coin. Let's look at the ADA chart. So you got this like inverse head and shoulders. Like you're going to buy the breakout of this. Well, actually, you're actually not going to listen to anything I say and just ignore that I talked about trading today, because this is not financial advice. However, if ADA does break out here, these are your targets marked up here. So again, hype, cycle, run up. You guys might remember this from yesterday. Boom. This is, dude, I've had some picks for you guys. Like, you guys got to be making a ton. You're rich, right? Watch this. Next. This is actually a freebie for you guys. There's a lot of news on this one. This is SNGLS, Singular DTV. They have an airdrop, actually three airdrops. Right? Boom, 71% gains. I was like, are you serious? Here you go. The herd's over here like, oh, I'm about to get my 1 or 2% gain. And this coin pumped 72%. Make sure and move your money where it's going to make you a ton of profits. If you're sitting in these stale large caps right now, potentially that's not the best place for your money, right? You have to adjust your strategy to what the market is giving you. Visa is going to create its own patented digital currency. And I read this and I'm like, mainstream that we want so badly to adopt us is our biggest competition. Do not forget that. The idea like, hell, I'm going to buy this crypto, I'm going to hold it for 5 years, and I'm going to be mega rich. Well, you know what? Here comes Visa with a stable coin that's controlled by a central entity computer. So all this, the ability of crypto to move real quickly in between, sender to receiver, all of a sudden, here's your competition. Visa International Service in San Francisco, they sought the patent for this digital currency, which is recorded on a blockchain. Every time a dollar worth of digital fiat currency is generated, it's going to be backed by a physical dollar bill that's being removed from circulation in order to regulate the value of the digital fiat currency. China including crypto inheritance in the civil code. Again, this gives crypto some legitimacy in the eyes of the general public. So basically this talks about and states that the expansion of the inheritance means as long as property is legally acquired by a natural person, it belongs to the inheritance. It can be inherited, including virtual property like crypto, digital currency. However, China has to worry about this situation going on. The U.S. planning to delist Chinese stocks could trigger a massive Bitcoin buying spree. Listen, I can't even tell you what this is going to do. This whole global panic situation. And now this, imagine. So in China, obviously, there's a lot of trademark laws, a lot of, copyright laws that just aren't adhered to. And the United States House of Representatives saying, hey, we're going to spearhead an effort to delist Chinese stocks from U.S. markets, claiming they've been able to benefit from U.S. listings without the companies having to abide by the same rules as domestic companies. This could provide a boost to Bitcoin as more Chinese citizens turn to crypto to escape the mounting economic turbulence. Everything aside, I think Bitcoin will have a major boost. People will want to. There's so many crumbling economies around the world. It's happening slowly in some places, happening faster in others. And, Bitcoin could be a hedge, a global hedge against this financial turmoil. Samsung's newest security chip solution is going to protect cryptocurrency transactions. So this new security chip is going to be in the flagship smartphones. It's going to involve like e-passports and hardware wallets for cryptocurrency assets. This new chip is going to be available in the third quarter of this year. Samsung's going all in crypto. They know this is the future. Chainlink price analysis. Link's bulls paused under an important resistance despite showing strength against Bitcoin. My thing is, at least spell the word strength right. I really want to talk about the Link BTC chart. And so it actually is a pretty decent setup. You've got this possible Adam and Eve. You want to buy the breakout of this. Not that you would listen to anything I say, but potentially this is a good looking chart. The problem is a larger cap altcoin, and they're just not moving as well as the tiny micro and small caps. This thing has been consolidated. Now it did break above the 200 simple moving average, which has been a catalyst. And there is a golden cross coming for Link. And, the targets are listed up here, potentially. And this is Link versus Bitcoin or Link BTC trading pair. Okay. And so this setup, now a lot of the USDT pairs don't look amazing, right? A lot of the altcoins compared to USDT aren't super amazing at all. Bitcoin now open to 1.3 billion people in India as RBI clarifies stance on crypto. So basically they came out and said, hey, there's no prohibitions on banks servicing crypto traders and crypto businesses. Seems like we went back and forth for a year. Is crypto legal? Is it not? Is it legal? Is it not? India, what's going on? You got stories just about everything coming out constantly. Bitcoin's hash rate drops to lowest level in 2020. Bitcoin's hash rate is falling. Miners are struggling to turn profits with the current Bitcoin price. Facebook, remember this guy? Calibra wallet is now known as Novi. So here mainstream, you want to adopt us. Here's our biggest competition. The Novi is inspired by the Latin words novus via, for new way. And this is, once Novi is launched, users are going to be able to send money as easily as they send messages. Novi clients will be able to employ the digital wallet as a standalone app, as well in Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. Again, this will be a big competition for money transmittance that cryptocurrency right now, out of the box, immediately dominates, right? If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.